So here we illustrate the C program. We have an executable that we created with a C API. In fact, I can bring the screen up. You can see the Visual C++ project, and here's some of the C code that uses the C API. What we're doing is reading a ADC channel on the I2C bus and outputting the results of the ADC to the DAC, digital analog converter, on the pot meter, and that gets displayed on the current meter, the 50 microamp current meter. And remember, 5 volts is full scales with a 100 kilo ohm resistor. So here we show the capability to develop industrial strength, mission critical, robust C programs that control I2C devices using the C API that comes with a Pyroraptor, which is of course based on Diolen's API. So here's the C code. Let's go ahead and look at the executable. So over here we have the executable. I'll just double click on it, and now it's running. So you see the console, and what we're going to do is take the pot meter and turn the dial, and you can see the value change. So we go from 0 to full scale FF hexadecimal, which is 255. That's reading the ADC. Turn the pot meter, the dial is changing, as well as the console. And the C code is robust and mission critical, and of industrial strength and proven in industry. Here we are going to show the oscilloscope displaying the data and the clock for the I2C signals as we are running our program. Remember, the C API program that is reading the ADC, one channel, and then outputting to the digital analog converter, which goes to the meter, and we can see that. Now, what I am going to do now is to take the knob and turn it, and you can see on the oscilloscope as I increase my digital values, going from 0 all the way to 255 or FF. And you can also see the dial move as the ADC is read and output to the DAC. Remember, it goes through a 100 kilo ohm precision resistor, so we can get at 5 volts with a 50 microamp meter, we get full scale at 5 volts. Very nice. So you can see it all in action. So this is the C API based program running full speed, reading the ADC, one channel, outputting to the DAC. Now in this segment you are going to see not only the reading of the ADC. Again, I'm at 0 going all the way to full scale, which is 255 or FF hex. You can see that the first signal is reading from the ADC, and the second signal is outputting to the DAC. So you see an input operation followed by an output operation on the I2C bus.